the beats are beating.
16 met een blauwe vlek en mijn zakje.
We hebben dat nog teruggevonden in een zakje. Mom, I think he's broken again. I was like, I'm gonna order the food in German because I'm learning German and I would like to understand. I have my card ready. I'm like, I'm gonna pay. The place was very loud and she kept looking at my dad and I didn't understand what she was saying and I went blank. It was like that little seal spinning circles around in my head. Instead of German, I just said, avec la carte. Yeah. We have a problem. We were gonna get food because we don't have food, but everything is closed because it's a holiday today. Hello. Dad had a surprise. We're on a boat now. Thanks, Dad. I'm on a boat.
Die mevrouw. Zijn nog aan het oppakken?
Ja.
Ah ja.
Roddel maar hoor.
Die mevrouw waren aan het rood schil van Caroline.
Ah ja. Testing the mic. Today is a pool/beach day. This resort is like at the beach. The pools are like fenced up, but you can also go to the beach, which is just next to it. But yes, today has been fun. A chill day. Tomorrow, apparently, we're going rafting. I'm looking forward to that because I like those type of sports. I'm going snorkeling. Hope to see some fishies. Maybe get some pretty seashells, just like one or two, so I don't steal all the houses. See you later. This is the catch of today. Was pretty. I picked one of these up, but it still had somebody in there, so I left it. And one of these as well. That one also had one in it, so I found another one who is definitely broken and not living. But yes, this is the catch. Right now we're going to a little restaurant after the beach. I don't know what it's gonna be, but I think a lot of fish, which I do not like. But it might be something else. Dad, what is there to eat tonight?
There is a lot of fish to eat.
Yeah.
Pasta
Ooh.
and meat.
Okay. Then there will be something that I like too, right?
Doing the accent. Yes, yes, yes.
Is that a restaurant? No, that is a bakery. Whoopsie.
You do the accent on purpose. Stop.
Yes, right now, because I have mic. And it's fun to use accent when I have mic. I'll see you at the restaurant, I think.
Jullie. Nee? Ik zit toch weer weg.
Mama zit eruit.
Influencer.
Wat?
Zeer cute. You mean Hannah Montana?
Nee, Hannah.
Zeer goed.
Ja. Very good.
So cute. Did you like it?
Very much.
How much out of 10?
12.
We went off waterfalls. They threw our boats in other waterfalls. Yes, yes. And now we're gonna have a sip, a little alcoholic beverage.
Not for me.
Yeah, not for you. Are you also being held captive by the owl?
Doesn't allow me to say that. Maybe.
Blink once if yes. We are in Zadar and here are a bunch of boats. Yes, very pretty. We have a reservation at a little restaurant. Ik film al tegen dat ze valt. Ga je vallen?
Italiaanse stijl. Nee, ik ga niet vallen. Ik heb heel gevallen.
Helemaal niet. Waar is Madre? Ah, of course. And the stairs are holes that make music. I don't know if you can hear it. Can you hear that? I don't know. Oh, it's getting very loud. But it's very crowded and I'm losing my parents. I will put the mic near the thingy. Very special. That is the sea that you hear.
Jada.
It looks very delicious. But damn. Dinner was so expensive. We bought ice cream because it was only 4 slices of salmon for $17, which is insane. So, cheers. This is my dinner. This is their dinner. The cameraman is the only one with a big plate for only $10. And in Split right now. A lot of stairs, really hot. I'm gonna cry. Sehr schön. We're now gonna drink something. It's a bit of a maze here. Dad was lost. He wanted to film something because he always makes a little movie. Goddamn. Because he always makes a little movie of our trips. And he was like, I'm gonna go back, just film a quick thing. And then he didn't come back. And I went to look and he was not there. So we thought, oh my god, he has been robbed. But no, he was stuck because the show had started, so he couldn't get out. And then he was like, I'm gonna just walk the other way. But apparently it's a maze here. There's all these tiny little hallways, walk spaces. And he was lost. So he survived, and now we're gonna drink a cocktail. And he is gonna drink a soda. I had my cocktail, they first brought one with flies, and then my parents asked a new one, and now they're mad, which is okay, because
They are not mad. You just think they are.
they were annoyed. He looked very annoyed. He did like,
You got flies in your fucking.
yeah, I know, like the mint was infested with some flies or something. But they brought me a new one, which is very nice. But I said thank you, and they just walked away. They do not like it, but it is good. We are dying.
A lot.
It is so hot. I am so sweaty. I bought new earrings, handmade. I will show you the little briefje, the little card. I'm not functioning. I'm too sweaty. It's like 37 degrees Celsius, which is a lot. And mom says it's probably 45 degrees in the car. My dad is getting gas, so no air conditioning right now. Sweat in the butt, we call it reet sweet. So if you want to be a Belgian who has a sweaty ass,
Reet sweet.
reet sweet. Do you have reet sweet, mama?
Yes, a lot.
A lot of reet sweet. Do you have reet sweet, vader?
Yeah.
Here, go. We just went on the zip ride. It was very fun. How did you like it?
Very fun.
You were a bit afraid, but
A
did
bit,
you
a
enjoy?
little bit, but I enjoy. Yes.
Okay. The man was like yelling to brake, but we all survived, didn't fall down, didn't lose anything. 12 out of 10. How did you like it?
Very nice.
Very nice. How did you like it?
What?
The zip ride.
Oh, hey, was very nice.
How much out of 10?
50, yes.
15 out of 10. Okay. Very nice view. There was a dried up river though. So there was not water in the river.
The ride up river.
Yes, but it was so pretty. Sorry, I'm not using the mic because I don't want to run now. It's too much work and we need to keep going.
Professional YouTuber.
I know. I'm trying. How is this cold?
Sibin.